up guys, welcome to you. In this video we are going to solve simple problem in Windows 11. Problem is Gpedit.msc missing in Windows 11. It is a problem of group policy editor and we are going to solve this. First of all, just go to the YouTube description. There we find one link. Just click on that link and just download the file given in the description. Okay, just copy that or download that file. Okay, and this file is notepad file, and this open that file, and this file contain this code. Just copy this code and go to the notepad, paste on the notepad. I just go to the file, at here in notepad, just click on save as. Okay, and in save as, just save as a .bat file. Just go to the desktop, save as a type to all file, and I just save it at any name. So I just save it at Gpedit. You can give any name, and after Gpedit or your file name, just press dot and just press bat file, bat file, and click on the save. Okay, now close it or minimize it. Okay, now here is our Gpedit file. Just right click on it and run as an administrator. Most IMP parties right click it and run as an administrator. Most IMP parties right click and run as an administrator. Okay, now click on the yes. Now our process is started. It takes some time and make sure your internet is on. Now our operation is successfully done and operation is complete successfully. Now press any key on your keyboard. Now I just go to the here start, right click on the start and just go to the run. Here is the run. Just go to the run, and here I just type Gpedit.msc, edit.msc, and hit enter key on my keyboard. Okay, now here is my local group policy editor. It is an open. So guys, this is the simplest way to solve this simplest problem. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.